1. In a city of the footpaths. Inhabitants are the houses of God. And at every door of the house, it is inscribed in the ink of hatred. End quote. Only the people of a specific sect are allowed here to offer the prayers. End quote. 2. After some times, the earth will gulp into the belly. The same city divided in blocks. On its place the earth will bring forth a new fertile city whose inhabitants will not obtain food from the heaps of muck. 3. After 5,000 years, an old archaeologist, in shadow of the drowning sun, will discover again the same buried city, and on the chipped worn-out stone of the ruined worship house will be an inscription in a mysterious language, and he, after having read it with troublesome attempt, will say with a tone of certainty to his beloved, peering into her eyes. End quote. Definitely such cities as this had no right to exist on the earth. End quote.